In this video, I will show you how to remove background from your images inside Canva for free without visiting any external website. As you know in Canva, that you can only remove background of your picture using background remover, which is Pro Fashion. In this case, I want to remove the background of a picture. Click on Elements. So I will want to make use of this very particular one. I click on it. Now this is it here. The next thing, I come to the left hand side where we're having the editor panel. Then I look for apps. I click on apps. Then the next thing, I will need to search for background cleaner. You can see, look at the options we have in there. We are having clear background, background eraser, background cleaner, replace background. Therefore, I will click on background cleaner. So this is the app I want to make use of for free. This replaces the function of that of the background remover, where you make use of it as a Pro Fashion user. This is it. Then you click on background cleaner. This is it. It says select an image to erase the background. Then I click on this in order to select it. You can see it here. Then I will need to click on erase background. I click on it. Now it's transforming your image. Let's wait and see to what will happen. Look at it. This is awesome. You can see the way the background of the picture has been removed without using the BG remover, which is the Pro Fashion. This is an alternative way instead of making use of the BG remover, which is the Pro Fashion. This is how to make use of this freely without visiting any external website. If you have found this video very useful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.